Grid down, no power, no water, no help coming. What do you grab first? If you're a prepper, a camper, or an overlander, this list is for you. I tested 23 pieces of gear preppers are buying right now on Amazon. Number 1 calls for help when everything else fails. Stay to the end. Let's go. Number 22. Nexnand F&P FS1 Firestarter Necklace. Your lighter is dead, your matches are wet, and the temperature is dropping fast. This necklace puts fire on your body, always. It's a ceramic striker and ferro rod on an adjustable leather cord, 32 to 64 centimeters. The ceramic striker survives 12,000 strikes with 0 blunting. The steel toggle scrapes off iron powder for instant tinder. The ceramic head never rusts and never dulls. That's not marketing, that's the spec sheet. I wear mine every hike now. Fire on your neck, not in your bag, non-negotiable. Number 21, CRKT M16 GAC S. Your knife folds shut mid-cut. In a survival moment, that's a finger gone. The M16 KS locks like a vault and cuts like a saw. Frame lock construction with a thick lock bar holds the blade solid. Triple point serrations rip through rope, fabric, and fibrous material in seconds. Black coating fights corrosion in wet conditions. Reversible pocket clip, carry it your way. Designed by Kit Carson, a name serious knife guys respect. Backed by a limited lifetime warranty. This is the blade that doesn't quit when your hand is shaking. Number 20, Leatherman Curl. Your pack is full, your pockets are empty, but the job still needs a tool. The Curl is the tool that's always on you. Stainless steel build, compact multi-tool body, removable pocket clip so it rides on your belt or your bag strap, ready in one motion. It's a Leatherman. That name alone means Portland, Oregon manufacturing, and a company that stands behind its steel. Small enough to forget it's there. Useful enough that you'll reach for it daily. Number 19, prepared 4X survival torch. Rain is pouring, wind is howling, and you need fire in the next 60 seconds. This torch was built for exactly that moment. The curved striker guides spark straight onto a 36-inch waterproof tinder wick. You get 3+ hours of continuous burn time, or thousands of single strikes. It still works after being soaked in water. It's patented. Not a knockoff ferro rod. A protected design built to solve one problem: fire in the worst conditions on Earth. When the wind is against you, this is what fights back. Number 18, Exotac fireSLEEVE. You reach into your pack. Your lighter's gas button got pressed. It's empty. The fireSLEEVE stops that from ever happening again. It's waterproof up to 3 feet, and it floats. The gas lock strap holds the button down for hands-free lighting in tight spots. The safety cap blocks accidental presses in your bag. Flexible TPE body seals out moisture completely. It's made in the USA, built to work with any standard Bic lighter you already own. Your fire source protected. Number 17, SOG PowerPint Mini. You need a full toolbox. You have room for one small tool. The PowerPint packs 18 tools into your pocket. It's 3.2 inches closed, 4.2 ounces total. Compound leverage pliers give you 2 times the cutting and crimping power of a standard grip. It includes 2 stainless steel blades and a magnetic 1/4-inch hex bit driver. This is full-sized utility shrunk down to fit your pocket, not a toy version of the real thing. I genuinely forget it's on me until the moment I need it. Number 16, Kaito KA500 emergency radio. The power's out, your phone's at 4%, and you have no idea what's happening outside. The KA500 keeps you connected when the grid doesn't. It charges 6 ways: hand crank, solar panel, AA batteries, USB, and wall power. You get AM, FM, shortwave, and 7 NOAA weather channels with real-time alerts. It also charges your phone through a built-in USB port and lights your camp with an LED flashlight and reading lamp, built from impact-resistant, water-resistant ABS. When the news goes dark, this is your window to the world. Number 15, Flissa Survival Hunting Knife. Your small knife can't take down a branch, let alone defend your camp. The Flissa is 15 inches of raw stopping power, full tang stainless steel blade with a 10-inch clip point edge and sawback. Blade thickness sits at 5/32 of an inch. The rubber handle grips even when your hands are wet, and it comes with a sheath, sharpener, and built-in fire starter. At 16.8 ounces, this isn't a pocket knife pretending to be tough. It's built heavy on purpose. One blade, every job, no second option needed. Number 14, Black Diamond Storm 500R headlamp, total darkness. Both hands full, and you still need to see the trail. The Storm 500R gives you light without giving up your hands. You get up to 500 lumens of output, powered by a built-in 2400 mAh rechargeable battery. Charges over micro USB, no disposable batteries required. Red night vision mode protects your eyes and your stealth. Fully waterproof housing handles rain and snow. Black Diamond has outfitted climbers on serious expeditions for decades. This isn't a camping toy. Hands-free. Number 13. Leatherman Wingman. Your mid-repair with no toolbox in sight. One wrong tool, and the job stalls. The Wingman turns your pocket into a full workshop. 14 tools in one body. Pliers, wire cutters, scissors, screwdrivers, a knife, and a file. Every tool opens with one hand, even the internal ones. The locking blade means you cut with real confidence. Leatherman backs it with a 25-year warranty, assembled in their own Portland, Oregon factory. This is the tool you hand down, not the one you replace next year. Number 12. Wuben X1 Pro flashlight. Your standard flashlight lights up 10 feet in front of you. That's not enough when danger is further out. The X1 Pro throws light 410 meters into the dark. It hits 12,300 lumens, combining floodlight and spotlight modes, with 5 brightness levels from 20 to 12,300 lumens. Battery runs up to 455 hours on low. It charges in 30 watts, fast, and can charge your phone in an emergency. An automatic cooling fan kicks in when it runs hot, keeping output stable. This isn't a flashlight, it's a searchlight in your pocket. Number 11. Zune Lotoo tactical shovel. The ground is frozen, your car is stuck, and a regular shovel just bounced off the dirt. This shovel was built to survive that exact fight. One-piece martensitic steel, 1.3 centimeters thick, rated for 200 and 116 pounds of impact. It survived 25 days in salt water with 0 rust and stays unbreakable down to -60 degrees Celsius. The patented 7-angle lock switches between digging, chopping, and prying with one hand. It folds to 24.2 inches and extends to 35.4, digging you out of the ground itself. Number 10. Camillus Carnivore X Machete. Thick brush, dense roots, and a blade that's too small to make a dent. The Carnivore X clears a path when nothing else will. The 12-inch blade uses titanium bonding, making it 3 times harder than untreated steel. Total length runs 18 inches, with a removable trimming knife stored in its own sheath. The ballistic nylon sheath keeps it secured and ready on your hip. This is a blade built for hunters and survivalists who actually use their gear, not display it. One swing tells you everything you need to know. Number 9. Gerber Gear DoubleDown Folding Machete. A full-length machete doesn't fit in your pack, but you still need chopping power on demand. The DoubleDown folds that power down to size. The 420 HC recurve blade has a plain edge with baton jimping for grip control. The quad lock system locks it firmly in 2 handling positions. It stows flat in a pack, on a belt, or straight onto mole gear. Made in the USA, built with an overstrike guard for real tactical safety. Full chopping power. Folded flat, ready when you are. Number 8. Morakniv Garberg Grand. Your knife handle cracks under real pressure. And that's the moment you find out it was never built for this. The Garberg is full tang steel from tip to butt. The blade is 4.3 inches of hardened Sandvik 12C27 stainless steel, 0.13 inches thick, with a Scandi grind edge. It includes a built-in fire starter compatible with the blade's 90-degree spine, plus a diamond sharpener. Total weight with sheath is 13.8 ounces. Morakniv has built blades in Sweden for over a century. This is bushcraft steel that was never meant to break. Subscribe CTA. If this list is helping you build your kit, hit subscribe right now. We drop survival gear content every single week. Number 7. Olight Seeker 4 Pro. You're searching a dark field for a missing person or a lost dog. A weak light means you're searching blind. The Seeker 4 Pro turns night into day. It puts out 4,600 lumens with a max throw of 260 meters. The holster charges the light directly, or you can use magnetic charging separately. The oversized metal switch works even with heavy gloves on. It's rated IPX8 waterproof. This is search and rescue level output in a light you can holster on your hip. When someone's counting on you finding them, this is the light that finds them first. Number 6. Renogy 200W portable solar panel. Your power bank hits 0 on day 3. and the grid isn't coming back anytime soon. This panel turns sunlight into your new power grid. It runs at 25% efficiency using 16BB N-type cell technology, beating standard panels at 22.5%. It weighs just 13.89 pounds and folds down to backpack size. You get 3 charging ports plus an MC4 output for power stations and 12V batteries. It's IP65 rated and UL 65730 certified for safety. Certified, tested, built for off-grid life, not a backyard toy. Sunlight is free. This is how you turn it into survival. Number 5. LifeSaver Jerrycan Water Purifier. Every water source around you looks contaminated, and drinking it wrong could be the last mistake you make. This Jerrycan turns filthy water into safe water instantly. It exceeds NSF P248 military-grade standards, removing 99.9% or greater of viruses, bacteria, cysts, and parasites. It stores 18.5 liters at once, with a built-in pump and filtered spout. A failsafe indicator tells you exactly when the filter needs replacing. Military-grade certification isn't a claim here. It's a tested standard. Fill it, pump it, drink it. Nothing complicated about staying alive. Number 4. Platypus QuickDraw Water Filter. You're carrying gallons of water because you don't trust what's in the stream. That weight is slowing you down. The QuickDraw filters that stream in seconds, hands-free. It filters at 3 liters per minute when squeezed, and 1.75 liters per minute in gravity mode. The hollow fiber filter meets NSF and EPA P231 protocol, removing 99.9999% of bacteria and 99.9% of protozoa. The whole system weighs just 8.2 ounces and packs to 9.5 by 3.9 by 3.2 inches. Made in the USA, built for hikers moving fast and light. Stop carrying water, start making it. On the trail, on demand. Number 3. MSR Guardian Water Purifier. You're relying on chemical tablets that taste awful and take an hour to work. In a real emergency, you don't have an hour. The Guardian purifies water the moment you pump it. It meets NSF P248, the same US military testing standard, removing viruses, bacteria, protozoa, and particulate. It pumps 2.5 liters per minute and treats up to 10,000 liters total. The self-cleaning mechanism activates on every single stroke. No backflushing required, ever. Military tested, zero maintenance, built in the USA. This is the purifier that works when the water looks like it never will. Number 2. North American Rescue RU-MFAC. Someone's bleeding badly, and every second counts. A basic first aid kit with band-aids won't save them. This is the trauma kit built for real blood loss. It gives you one-handed access to a CAT tourniquet from a front pouch designed for speed. It includes hyphen vent chest seals and a 4-inch flat trauma dressing, the exact tools first responders reach for first. The rugged nylon platform mounts on maul or a belt loop. North American Rescue equips actual first responders in the field, not hobbyists. When it's a real emergency. Number 1. Garmin inReach Mini 2 Plus. You're miles from any cell signal. You're injured or lost or both. And your phone shows 0 bars. The inReach Mini 2 is your line back to the world when nothing else works. It sends two-way messages and triggers an interactive SOS globally over satellite, not cell towers. Battery lasts up to 14 days in 10-minute tracking mode. Trackback routing gets you home the way you came. It syncs to the Garmin Explore app for trip planning and live location sharing with your family. Requires an active satellite subscription. That's the cost of a rescue that actually reaches you. If you own one piece of gear on this list, own this one. It's the difference between lost and found. That's 23 pieces of gear to carry you through the worst day of your life. From fire to water to the device that calls for help when everything goes silent. So tell me, which one goes in your bag first? Hit subscribe. New survival gear every week. Stay ready.